AI, your co-pilot to success. Hey everyone, are you ready to take control of your future? We stand at the edge of a technological revolution, a moment where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, but a powerful tool ready to amplify your potential. Forget the sci-fi dystopias. We're talking about AI as your co-pilot, your personal growth accelerator. This isn't about robots taking over. It's about you taking over, empowered by the incredible capabilities AI offers. It's about unlocking doors you didn't even know existed and building the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine having a mentor available 24/7, tailored to your specific needs and aspirations. That's the power of AI-driven learning platforms. They analyze your strengths and weaknesses, crafting personalized learning paths that maximize your growth. No more generic courses or one-size-fits-all approaches. AI adapts to your pace, your style, and your goals, ensuring you're always learning what you need, when you need it. It's like having a personal tutor guiding you every step of the way. Want to master a new language? AI-powered apps provide immersive experiences, personalized feedback, and real-time conversation practice. Looking to become a coding whiz? AI can help you debug code, suggest optimal solutions, and even generate code snippets. The possibilities are endless. From marketing to music production, AI is revolutionizing every industry, and it's giving you the tools to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace these tools, and you'll be equipped with skills that are not just relevant today, but essential for tomorrow. AI isn't just about technical skills, it's a catalyst for creativity. Need inspiration for your next writing project? AI can generate story ideas, suggest plot twists, and even help you refine your writing style. Stuck on a design concept? AI-powered tools can create stunning visuals, explore different color palettes, and help you bring your artistic vision to life. Don't see AI as a replacement for human creativity, but as an amplifier, a partner that helps you explore new frontiers. Feeling overwhelmed by a complex project? AI can break it down into manageable tasks, prioritize your workload, and even automate repetitive processes. Struggling with time management? AI-powered productivity tools can help you schedule your day, track your progress, and stay focused on your goals. AI is your ally in overcoming challenges, helping you stay organized, efficient, and motivated. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to helping you achieve your full potential. The job market is evolving rapidly, and AI is creating new opportunities that didn't exist just a few years ago. Learn to leverage AI in your chosen field, and you'll become an invaluable asset to any organization. Whether you're interested in data science, marketing, or even the arts, AI skills will set you apart from the competition. Embrace the change, adapt to the new landscape, and build a career that's both fulfilling and future-proof. Got a brilliant business idea? AI can help you validate your concept, identify your target market, and even create a business plan. Need to build a website or mobile app? AI-powered tools can simplify the development process, saving you time and money. AI empowers entrepreneurs to launch their ventures faster, more efficiently, and with a higher chance of success. It levels the playing field, giving you the tools to compete with larger companies and bring your vision to life. With great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace AI, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. We must ensure that AI is used responsibly, fairly, and for the benefit of all. Let's be mindful of bias in algorithms, protect data privacy, and promote transparency in AI development. By addressing these ethical challenges, we can ensure that AI empowers humanity rather than exacerbating existing inequalities. The future isn't something that happens to you, it's something you create. AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to you to decide how to use it. Embrace the opportunities, learn the skills, and shape the future you want to see. Don't be afraid to experiment, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. The world needs your creativity, your passion, and your unique perspective. So, are you ready to unlock your potential and achieve your dreams with AI? The journey won't always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Embrace the AI revolution. and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Remember, AI is your co-pilot, your mentor, your creative partner. It's time to take control, to skill up, and to build the future you deserve. The power is in your hands. Go out there and make it happen.